Hit the subscribe button to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get latest update of our videos.
Greetings friend, welcome in this video. In this video I'm going to tell about how to make a program based on LCM in C language. So if you are interested, then continue watching this video. Let's explore it. So guys, before starting this video, I want to take over the command based on what is LCM. So here LCM stands for least common multiple. As you well known, it is a mathematical term and which is used to calculate the least common multiples among the factorization. I also want to tell about, I already make a video how to calculate an LCM, so please go through it. So here are the program fields based on how to calculate an LCM. So here first I declare my header files, that is has include stdio.h, which stands for standard input output, which is the main role of writing this command is to control over the function of printf and scanf command. Then I declare the prototype of the function, that is long gcd long and long, then int main. As you well know, the program when the compiler start compiling, it first go through a main function. Here I declare the variables that store the values, that is x and y, LCM and SCM. So first we are going to calculate SCF, then LCM through it. Here I declare my printf command. Here I write enter to number, then scanf is used to take the value by the user. Here I write SCF is equal to gcd x and y. This is the function prototype and this is the function call. I call the function here, and the function definition is declared on my next slide. So first we take about the term SCF, and after calculating the SCM through function call, we calculate LCM. Here LCM is equal to x into y divided by SCF. Whatever the value come from SCF is being divided by x and y is being divided by through that value of SCF. Through that we are able to get the value of LCM that was stored in LCM variable. Through printf command we show the value of x and y and SCF, and in next printf command we show the value of x, y and LCM, and then I return 0 and the program closed. And now I want to discuss about this prototype. So this prototype is stand for long gcd long a and long b. Here I declare a and b, okay, and in between the curly braces of the body of the function I declare two variable name integer, that is I and gcd. In for loop I declare this command. So as you know, for loop stands three basic tasks, that is initialization and then condition, then reinitialization. So in initialization I declare I is equal to 1, and in reinitialization I declare I is less than equal to a, then or operator, then I is less than equal to b. Then in reinitialization I declare I plus plus, means to say that I is increment every time. So that's all loop is that's all symbol stand that if both the condition is true, then body of the loop will execute, and if either one of them is true, then body will also execute that loop, okay. And in if statement I declare if a percentile I is equal to 0 and b percentile I is equal to 0 0. Okay, that AND operator is used to tell about if both of them true, then statement this will execute. If one of them true, then it will go outside, none of the statement will execute. So and the basic difference between and or operator is that if both of them true and if one of them true, then statement will execute, but in and operator if both of them true, then statement will go through it. So here percentile symbol stand to calculate the value of remainder. So if I divide by a and the remainder is equal to 0, and same as with b, then statement will says that gcd is equal to I, and then I finally return gcd. After getting the value of GCD, we able to get the value of SCF. Now I declare that here SCF is equal to GCD x and y. We get the value of SCF. Now we can go through it. LCM is equal to x into y divided by SCF. After this applying meant, we are able to get the value of LCM. Here are the output. So first we enter the two integer, that is 9 and 24. Then we saw an statement called great common divisor of 9 and 24 is 3. Then we also get another statement, that is least common multiples of 9 and 24 is 72. So that's all about the program fields. See you in next video. Thank you.